Hello students, in this video we will learn how to construct a pie chart, right? The table is in front of you, right? There are two columns. One column is for the fruit and the another column is already the data converted into angle sector. And we know that the formula that the raw data here it's 100, okay? Raw data is 100 and 500 basically the total number of the students. This question is based on unit 15 like statistical and data handling. And here if you have angle sector like 72 degree, 54 degree, 36 degree, 108 degree and 90 degree, so how are you going to construct a pie chart? So now let's start making a pie chart. First of all, you need a compass, okay? So draw a circle. Radius, it's up to you, right? So let's draw a circle. Okay, we drew a circle here, right? And then what we need to do, so can you see this, the center point of a circle, right? So the center point of a circle here, you need to draw a line from center of the circle to the circumference. So here I'm taking the scale, we need to take a scale and then place the scale here from center of the circle to the circumference and then draw a line, right? From here till here. Then you need to draw a line. Make sure it should be from center of the circle, right? Okay, now this is called radius as well, right? From center of the circle to the circumference, right? Or you can say there's a half of a diameter. Okay, now I'm going to change the color of this line. Okay, 1 minute. I'm going to remove this and I'm going to change it into a red color. Okay, now this line is basically your, yes, this line is basically your baseline, right? This is a baseline here. Okay, now what we need to do here, compass, now we don't need a compass. Okay, 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 now the first part here, it says that you need to draw the angle of 72 degrees. How you to draw 72 degrees? You need a protector. Take a protector, right? And place this protector on this red line, like 90-degree line supposed to touch at the point of the circle and touch the 0-degree line. This is a 0 degree. Okay, you need to place a protector like this. Okay, so now what we need to do, 72. Check where is 72 degrees? 72 somewhere here, 71, 72. Okay, mark it, right? And then take a scale. And then join it from center of the circle to 72 degree, right? Now join it. Okay, now this angle is 72 degree. So here write down 72 degree. Okay, and inside this angle you need to write down apples. Okay, done. Okay, now we need to draw the angle sector for 54 degree. Okay, now 54 degree again. Then you need to take a protector, and where you need to place a protector, you need to place a protector on red line. Okay, that will be your base. So I'm going to flip this. And place it here from 90 degrees point and 0 degree. It should be touch. The red line is supposed to touch on your 0 degree. Okay. Now it says that what you need to do, 54 degrees. So where is 54 degree? Check the 0 degree angle. It's inner scale. You need to use the inner scale. So 0 degree, 54 is somewhere here. Okay. 50 and 54 here. Let's turn it down. Okay. Here again. And then 54. Where's 54? 54 is somewhere here. Okay. Now mark it. Okay. The scale. And then from center of the circle to this 54 degree. Okay. Be careful from center of the circle to 54 degree. Okay, now join it. Okay, escape. Okay, now join it. Okay, from center of the circle to the circumference. Now this is 54 degree. Okay, write down 54 degree, and I'm writing honey dew inside. Okay, so HD or honey dew, right? Okay, now what we need to do, we need to draw 36 degree. So again, take a protector, and I'm coloring this color blue. Okay, now you need to, what you need to do, you need to place a protector here, center of the, from center of the circle, and 0 degree is on this blue line. Okay, now center of the circle from the blue line, center of the circle to the circumference, right? You need to hide the 0 degree line on that blue line. Okay, now it says 36 degree. So 36 degree is 0, 10, 20, 30, and 36 comes somewhere here. Okay, take a scale. from center of the circle to that 36 degree. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, join it. Okay, right from here, 36 degree, and the sector is for pear, so I'm writing P here. Okay, now it says the next one is watermelon. Watermelon angle sector for watermelon is 108. So what we need to do, so I'm changing this color into purple. Okay, okay, now this will be your baseline. Okay, now take a protector and then place this protector like this on 0 degree, center of the circle to 0 degree. Okay, a little bit need to hide. Okay, okay, like this. Right now 100, it says 108, so 108 is 0 degree. Just check the inner scale. Okay, 108 is an obtuse angle, so this one is 190, 108 somewhere here. Okay, this is 108. Okay, now the scale from here till center of the circle and then join it. Make sure that the scale is supposed to be placed at the center of the circle. Okay, okay, now join it. Right, okay, now this is for this sector is for watermelon, so here watermelon is 108 degree. Okay, now I write down watermelon, so I'm writing WN. Right, okay, now we left with oranges. Oranges, it says 90 degree, so the last one autumn. Right, yes, check. Okay, this is 90 degree. Right, now this is 90 degree. See, this is 90 degree. The last angle is automatically become 90 degree. Okay, so here remove this and then write down here it's 90 degrees. So 90 degree, and we know that 90 degree angle, the another name for the 90 degree is perpendicular, right? It's a right angle. Okay, 90 degree right angle. I'm writing this 90 degree here, and this is for oranges. Okay, I hope students that you people understood about how to construct the pie chart. Thank you for watching.